Okay, we'll be starting exercise 1.4. The first question, visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So what comes to your mind with the word magnification? It is to enlarge an object, okay? But here we'll be enlarging the decimal number 3.765. All right, so if I ask you, where does 3.765 lie on the number line? You will say it lies between 3 and 4. Right, it lies between the number 3 and 4. Now come back here to the scale here, which you don't need to draw, okay? So this number, it will lie between 3 and 4. Right, so can you see how I've enlarged it, magnified for us? Right, so there's basically what we'll be doing here. Okay, so how do you do this? The first thing we have to do is find for 3.7. We'll magnify 3.7. okay, once we're done with that, we'll magnify again 3.76, and at the end we'll be able to get the number 3.765. all right, so let's do one after the other. So first is 3.7. right, so you'll take your scale and pencil and then start by writing 3.0. okay, 3.0 and 3.1, 3.2, go till 4.0. all right, so like I said, first 3.7. right, so just we need only one decimal. okay, so 3.7, if you look, it is here, right? So you mark it, and once you know that 3.7 is here, we're going to enlarge it now, right? So the next decimal, you will start with 3.70. okay, and then 7273 we will go down. So like I said, once we found it, take the next decimal number. So we'll start with 0 again. okay, 3.70, then 3.71, like that. So once you have figured it out, then take your scale and pencil and then join these two. Right, we're magnifying, making it larger. okay, and of course mark this 3.8 also. all right, so like I said, once you find this 3.7, we'll start a new one with 3.70, then 3.71, 3.72, because the next decimal is what? 3.76. all right, so try to find it and you will see that it is here, and mark the next also. okay, so 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7, 3.79 and then 3.80. you're supposed to go down till there. okay, and once you're done with it, join these two. So can you see how we have magnified it now? And when you look at the next decimal number, that is 3.76, would it lie between 3.7 and 3.8? It will lie, right? So we're going to magnify it again. So once again, the next is 3.76, so it is here, right? Once you get that, we'll start again anew, the third decimal. okay, so 3.76, 0, then 2.761, then 2.762, continue. okay, but once you have found this and then you have drawn this new line there, we will once again connect this 3.76 and this 3.760 using your scale and pencil. okay, and then once you are down here till this 3.770, once again connect this two. okay, magnify, we are making it larger. So now when you look again, will this 3.765, right? 3.765 lie between these two? It will lie. okay, now we're magnifying it again. So then now let's find out. So 3.76 is here, then we'll start with again another decimal. okay, so 0 is there, right? 760, then 761, then 762. So at the end we'll get our answer, which is here. all right, so this is our magnified number. all right, visualized. We have visualized 3.765 on the number line by using successive magnification. Let's do one more. okay, now here the number, can you see that it has a bar, 4.26 bar. So if it has a bar, two numbers, right, which means this 2626 is going to continue for infinity again. all right, so once we are done with that, where will this 4.262626 lie? It will lie between 4 and 5. right, it will lie between this and this. So I'm going to magnify it again once more. all right, okay, so like our previous question, we'll first try to find for 4.2. okay, so how do we start? We'll start from 4.0. you can already see here 4.0, then 4.1, 4.2. you can already see that we already got it here. This is 4.2, and also mark this 4.3. okay, once you're done with that, the next we'll take another decimal number, right? So 4.2 is here, so we'll start with 4.20, then 4.21, because next is what? 4.26. all right, so once you have written this which is 4.20, 4.21, then take your scale and pencil and then join these two once again. all right, then once you have marked, let's go. We're supposed to find 4.26, right? So if you go, it is here, right? And then go to 4.30. okay, that will be your 10, right? And then take this 4.3 and then join these two again. Okay, so 4.26, it should lie in between 4.2 and 4.3, right? So that's what we have done. So let's find out where this is. So I've already marked here, right? And I mark the next one also. Okay, so the next is 4.262 again, right? So we have here 4.26. So we'll start with another decimal, 4.260. Okay, then 4.261. We'll go down like that. But once you have drawn this, join it again. All right, so 4.6 is here, and then join this. So once again, you have to go down till 4.70. Okay, once you're gone down till there, magnify it like this and then join these two again. All right, so now let's find 4.262. 4.262 is here, right? And then mark this also. So the last we'll be trying to find is the number. Okay, so 4.262, right? So we have stopped here at 4.262. So we'll start with another one. So it will be 4.260 again, then 2621, then 2622, then 2633. That is how we will go. Okay, but once you have marked this and drawn this, take your scale and pencil and again join these two. All right, and then go till what? You have to go till 4.2630. Once you are there, again take your scale and pencil and then join these two with a straight line. All right, so now we just have to find the whole thing, right? So 4.2626, so 2621, 2622, 2625, and you will see that this is here. This is our answer. All right, we have magnified it. Okay.